Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Siti Maisaro. You can call me Siti. Uh, the last my three digits number in student's ID is 022. Nah, I'm from uh, class 2040. Nah, in this video, I will read the article. The title is Students' Experience of Bullying in High School and Their Assessment and Motivation During the First Semester of College. Nah, this is my article. Nah, I wanna read article to you. Nah, the study suggests that bullying is a destructive communicative behavior with events that exceed beyond graduation and continue to shape educational and social translation in, into early adulthood. The research defense bullying is a respect and aggressive behavior in holding power imbalance that can be translated verbal, translated verbal, can be physical or control based. These forms of vitamin the determine physiological well-being and academic functions. Vitamins often experience loneliness for self-esteem, often experience loneliness, love, self-esteem, and radical participation in school. Now, because of this experience, students may develop negative beliefs about educational and persuasive. The study surveys for surveys the first years collect students and ask them to report past bullying and encourage motivation and past bullying. Oh, connect motivation and adjustment. Nah, motivation was examined to interest extremes and a motivation in nah intrinsic motivation reflects learning for interest and searching satisfaction Nah, extrinsic motivation reflects pursuing education for external goals or rewards. Nah, motivation occurs when students feel not pure of value in attending college. Research showed that higher levels of cyberbullying were associated with garner a motivation and weaker extrinsic motivation. Stu- Students who were vitamins double doubled their com- competency and felt less control of success. Nah, there's early school is Mr. Teman shift perceived ex- expectations about new educational settings. The research also measured adjustment in 4 years academic, social, oh, academic, social, personal, emotional, and institutional. Nah, sudden rep- re- reporting more bullying expense greater difficulty. Nah, students reporting more bullying experience greater disability across all areas. They started with course, coursework forming uh, friendship, emotional well-being, and feeling connected to their university. Nah, the first semester is a really uh, them building transition marked by independence and social change. When learning events for bullying are adapt, adaptational becomes here. The article succeeds to explain social. First part, vitamin C ke cerdas and during negative views about school and trust in of their to trust. Second, some students might continue enriching similar prediscontive in college, but but patrons weaken motivation and adjustment during the critical opening month of college. The author conclude that bullying efforts do not despair of after high school. Uh, Even when college offers a new burning emotional and social concrete pursuit. Nah, university so recognize that incoming students might carry higher burden that influence performance and well-being. Nah, supporting students to more comput competence and resilience is essential for health disruption. The study emphasizes understanding the long-term impacts of bullying is necessary of resulting in that performance generally and success. Nah, in summary, high school bullying significantly per discrete radical motivation and per first semester adjustment. Uh, demonstrating that vitamins Leonson continues to shape early college experience and school standard educational assessment. This even in this evidence respect reinspect the articles control claim that bullying is not temporal but a developmental issue influencing academic identity and social confidence by linking past for past vitamins with person motivation and adjustment. The research demonstration and demonstration that early international harm can for forward into adulthood. Re- re- Recognizing the parents allow educational to the support that cer- certain engagement and belonging for vulnerable students during their transition to collect in search that Piro expression do not reveal this over operational for learning and continue in higher education settings and future academic development and social participation over. Nah, the end. Uh, okay. Okay, the findings of the study included that bullying during high school does not simply disappear when students enter a new educational environment. Instead, in its psychological and social influence later into that first semester of college. The students who experience vitamins vitamins lesion may carry pessimist expression about peer relationship and academic life. The expectation we can their confidence and reduce these variances to participation in new social and learning opportunities. The task to collect in described as a critical developmental partner and difficult during this time can include long-term educational outcomes. Nah, when students feel discouraged or emotionally disturbed, their ability to persist and succeed in higher educational might decline. Nah, the article explains that motivation and adjustment are closely connected. When students feel motivated, they are less likely to engage actively actively in their academic and social environment. Okay. Similarly, for adjustment can reinforce feelings for discouragement and isolation. This actually so who earlier bullying experience and indirectly its academic performance and well-being. The research implies that even to collect can represent a new varying emotional scare from past vitamins might still shape students' behavior and expansion. The being should be understood as a long-term developmental issue rather than a temporary childhood problem. Uh, this is con- this is conclusion. The article demonstrated that high school bullying significantly influences and student motivation and adjustment during the first semester of college. Nah, vitamins Vietnam for this great motivation recur recommend and the virtues across academic, social, and emotional areas. This is findings show that the translation to collect is not experienced by our students, especially those curling under slow experience of Mr. Raymond. Bullying has lasting educational and psychological consequences that extend into early adulthood. Nah, thank you very much. You okay, guys. That is all for my speech today. If there are any mistakes or unclear parts in my reading, I'm so sincerely apologizing because we are all still learning. I hope I can do better in the future than I did today. I also hope we can meet again in the text video. Thank you very much for listening to my speech today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye guys.